Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana Romano, and today we're going to be making healthy fruit roll-ups from home. All that you need is fruits, and I'm using strawberries, but you can use peaches, mangoes, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries. You can mix everything together as well. But I don't know about you guys, but since this whole quarantine started, I have been seeing all over social media the TikTok challenge of who can finish the fruit roll-up faster. So we never have fruit roll-up in the house, but after seeing that challenge, I am guilty and I went out and bought a box of fruit roll-ups, which I never do. So I decided to do a healthy alternative that you can give to your kids or eat it yourself. It's also vegan, vegetarian, keto, any diet that you're on. It's honestly just fruit. Also Whole30. So let's get started. All right guys, so step one, I'm just grabbing my strawberries and I am cutting the stem off. And then I'm gonna cut it in half. If you're using another fruit like mango or peaches or anything like that, just make sure you cut it into like small cubes, because we're gonna be putting it into the blender, so you don't need to cut it super small. Alright, so now you're going to grab your blender and you're going to add the fruit into the cup, and then you're going to blend it up. Alright, and then I'm going to just pour it into a measuring cup and just repeat the steps. Second batch, and I do want to add that you could add some honey or agave or just a little bit of sugar. I personally like it more on the tarty side. So now we're going to put it on a baking sheet. All right, so I grabbed the baking sheet and I'm putting the parchment paper right on top of it. And then this is where we're going to lay our fruit mixture. So make sure everything is coated, and you want a nice thin layer. So with a spoon, just make sure you just even everything out. Now we're going to pop it in the oven at 200 degrees for 3 hours. All right, so to know if it's ready, just get it out of the oven and just make sure you touch it. And if nothing is gooey, then that means it's ready. All the edges because there were some burnt spots, so now we're going to cut them into strips. So now with each one, you're just going to slowly roll it up. And there you have it, a quick healthy snack that you and your kids can enjoy. Let me know in the comments below what fruits you used and how you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click subscribe so you can see more videos like this.